Hello everyone, welcome back to Pharmacist Online, your one-stop destination for all your medical information. If you're new to our channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you'll never miss our comprehensive guides on medications, health, and wellness. Today, we are going to discuss a specific class of medication used to manage type 2 diabetes, sulfonylureas. This class of drugs has been in use for many years, and although they're generally considered safe, like all medications, they can come with potential side effects. Having a thorough understanding of these can help you manage your health better. So let's start with what sulfonylureas are. These are oral medications that stimulate the pancreas to release more insulin, helping to lower blood sugar levels. Commonly prescribed sulfonylureas include Glimepiride, Glipizide, and glyburide. Now, onto the side effects. One of the most common side effects is hypoglycemia or low blood sugar due to the increased insulin in your body. Symptoms of hypoglycemia may include confusion, dizziness, shaking, hunger, fast heartbeat, sweating, and headache. Gastrointestinal issues are also common with sulfonylureas. This can include nausea, upset stomach, and heartburn. Some people may also experience skin reactions like redness, itching, or a rash. And while less common, some serious side effects can occur. These may include dark urine, yellowing eyes or skin, which could be signs of liver disease or unusual bleeding or bruising. It's essential to remember that this isn't an exhaustive list, and everyone's body reacts differently to medication. If you're on sulfonylureas and are concerned about side effects, it's crucial to speak with your healthcare provider who knows your medical history. That's it for today's topic on sulfonylurea side effects. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this information valuable and share it with your friends or loved ones who might benefit from it. Your interaction supports us in creating more helpful content like this. As always, this is Pharmacist Online, striving to make the world healthier, one video at a time. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Until next time, stay informed and stay healthy.